Oke teman-teman car lovers, di video ini gue bakal ngerekamin hasil suara yang ada di mobil Hyundai Palisade facelift ini ya teman-teman car lovers, yang sistemnya itu sama sekali tidak merubah speaker aslinya, which is yang Hyundai Palisade yang sudah facelift, yang dimana sistem speaker bawaan aslinya itu sudah menggunakan speaker dari Infinity, baik itu speaker depan, speaker tengah, dan dia juga sudah dilengkapi dengan subwoofer. Nah, yang kita kerjakan buat teman-teman yang baru nonton di video ini, kalau teman-teman belum nonton video sebelumnya, di video ini adalah video khusus untuk listening test atau sound check atau sound test. Mobil ini kita cuman upgradekan audionya hanya dengan menambahkan DSP ampli dari Goldhorn ya teman-teman car audio lovers. Nah, buat teman-teman car audio lovers yang pengen tahu detailnya, silahkan langsung aja ditonton video sebelum video ini tayang. Jadi tanpa panjang lebar, gue mau langsung rekamin hasil suaranya. Nah, di video ini akan gue rekamin di dua metode, yaitu metode front atau metode head unit dan metode Bluetooth direct yang untuk di baris kedua ya teman-teman car audio lovers. Dan itu juga sudah dijelasin di video sebelumnya sama Ko Teddy ya. Monggo buat teman-teman car audio lovers yang belum nonton video sebelumnya, nonton dulu biar nyambung apa yang akan gue rekamkan di video ini ya teman-teman car audio lovers. Oke, tanpa panjang lebar, untuk metode pertama tentu saja gue akan menggunakan Bluetooth direct ke head unit ya teman-teman. Oke, langsung aja gue rekamin hasil suaranya. Teman-teman jangan lupa gunakan headset ya.
My suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Heavy rain are falling, seems I hear your voice a calling. It's alright. It's a rainy night in Georgia, a rainy night in Georgia. It seems it's raining all over the world. Feels like it's raining all over the world. Neon lights are flashing, taxi cabs or buses passing through the night. A distant moaning of the train seems to play a sad refrain to the night. It's a rainy night in Georgia, a rainy night in Georgia. Lord, I feel like it's raining all over the world. I believe that it's raining all over the world.
Snow as we left the lowlands far below, when we spent the spring on the western shore, as happy as anyone ever before. And the winter that found us hunkered down in the small stone cottage in the island town. For months of the blessed absence of light, when we never left each other's sight. I can taste the salt, I can smell the peat, with you and the whiskey so bitter and sweet. I remember the season in Glasgow town, with our snug little attic and the pub right round. As our friends came by for a sing or a talk, and our vicious fight on that cold dawn walk. I remember the castle where we vowed to meet, and the fog rolled in on Princess Street, when all the town was a cold grey stone, as I turned up my collar and I sat there alone. If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, oh, bring to me, bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me, yeah, yeah. give you jewelry, money too, but that's not all I'll do for you. Oh, bring it to me, bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. You know I lend a hand, my trusty friend. I need my heart and soul. We'll die because your sweet kindness bring it on home.
Walk a mile in my shoes, then you know how I feel. Walk a mile in my shoes, for you to this man. If you walk in my shoes, you might understand. People always try to tell me what I ought to do. Some really want to help me. Lord, I know it's true. Everybody got an opinion. Better take some advice. It don't really make no difference. I got to live my own life. I'm a simple type of person, yeah. Don't need much in this old life. I read my Bible, try to live my life right. I don't need nobody tell me what I ought to do. If you really want to help me, take a walk in my shoes. Walk a mile in my shoes. Then you know how I feel. Walk a mile in my shoes. For you just this man. If you walk in my shoes, you might understand.
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised to me